Welcome to the lecture on Systemic Intervention Planning. Today we will delve into the world of complex and systemic problems and learn how to design and implement effective interventions to address them. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the principles and methods of systemic intervention planning. Let's start with understanding systemic problems. A systemic problem refers to a complex issue that arises from the interrelationships and interdependencies of various components within a system. For example, climate change is a systemic problem that affects various components of the Earth's ecosystem and requires a systemic intervention. Next, we move on to problem analysis. To understand and address systemic problems, we need to analyze and understand the complex relationships and interdependencies within a system. Tools such as systems mapping and causal loop diagrams can be used to identify the critical components of the system and their interactions. Once we have analyzed the problem, we move on to intervention design. Effective interventions must address systemic problems' root causes rather than just treating their symptoms. Techniques such as goal formulation, stakeholder analysis, and scenario planning can be used to design interventions that address the systemic problem effectively. After designing the intervention, we need to plan its implementation. Strategies for resource allocation, monitoring and evaluation, and risk management must be put in place to ensure effective implementation and management of the intervention. Stakeholder engagement is also a critical component of systemic intervention planning. Engaging with stakeholders and building consensus around the intervention is essential to its success. Communication and negotiation strategies can be used to engage with stakeholders effectively. Finally, we need to evaluate the intervention's effectiveness. Impact assessment and feedback mechanisms can be used to evaluate whether the intervention has addressed the systemic problem effectively. Systemic intervention planning is a critical process for addressing complex and systemic problems. By understanding the principles and methods of systemic intervention planning, we can design and implement effective interventions that address the root causes of systemic problems. So let's get started on this journey to make the world a better place.